analytical engine itself was never built. But it would have worked. So let's build it now. I'm going to need your help and a lot of string.
We brought ADA.ADA.ADA here because it was really important to tell the story of one of the first computer programmers and to tell a story that connects history and the present and brings together science and art and frankly just to have something that's beautiful.
Ada is flying! So if you acknowledge someone's expertise, it sometimes unlocks your communication.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Philippines, the Australian spot is very international.
Go!
And then take your scale and add it to the
Giant snake surrounding you in the room.
The center.